Hi, I'm Tim Hannigan. I'm the Senior Product Engineer at Amphenol TPC. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the FTIR machine, which is the Fourier Transform Infrared. This machine tests insulations and produces a spectral signature so that we can understand what materials are inside these insulation systems. Here's how the FTIR machine works. We're going to eliminate the background atmospheric conditions. After we have the background collected, what we want to do is to cut a very small piece of the sample, either off a jacket insulation or off a conductor insulation. And we want to place that material onto the diamond plate on the machine. We use gloves to avoid any contamination with skin oils or anything that might be on your hands. The test runs 16 steps quickly, producing a signature for that sample. After the signature's been collected, then we do a search, and the software scans the libraries for matches. The results show a list of matched percentages, but doesn't tell us exactly how much of each of those materials are in the compound that we're looking at. So once we have a signature, then we save it into our internal library, so we can later compare new samples against saved signatures. The FTIR is just another way we validate our high-performance cables.